United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 287, Choice of Procedure, 1. When signing, ratifying or acceding to this convention, or at any time thereafter, a state shall be free to choose, by means of a written declaration, one or more of the following means for the settlement of disputes concerning the interpretation or application of this convention. A. The International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea established in accordance with Annex VI. B. The International Court of Justice. C. An arbitral tribunal constituted in accordance with Annex VII. D. A special arbitral tribunal constituted in accordance with Annex VIII for one or more of the categories of disputes specified therein. 2. A declaration made under paragraph 1 shall not affect, or be affected by the obligation of a state party to accept the jurisdiction of the Seabed Disputes Chamber of the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea to the extent and in the manner provided for in Part 11, Section 5. 3. A state party, which is a party to a dispute not covered by a declaration in force, shall be deemed to have accepted arbitration in accordance with Annex VII. 4. If the parties to a dispute have accepted the same procedure for the settlement of the dispute, it may be submitted only to that procedure, unless the parties otherwise agree. 5. If the parties to a dispute have not accepted the same procedure for the settlement of the dispute, it may be submitted only to arbitration in accordance with Annex VII, unless the parties otherwise agree. 6. A declaration made under paragraph 1 shall remain in force until 3 months, after notice of revocation, has been deposited with the Secretary-General of the United Nations. 7. A new declaration, a notice of revocation, or the expiry of a declaration, does not in any way affect proceedings pending before a court, or tribunal having jurisdiction, under this article, unless the parties otherwise agree. 8. Declarations and notices referred to in this article shall be deposited with the Secretary-General of the United Nations, who shall transmit copies thereof to the states parties.